I've always been fascinated by the hidden language of ancient Egyptian art. Far from being mere decoration, it was an intricate system that merged symbolic, energetic, and spiritual functions. Every symbol, every movement, even the colors themselves, expressed a deep understanding of human nature and the cosmos. The animal symbols carry profound functional implications. The lion's head, associated with kings and warriors, represented strength and protection. The falcon's head symbolized foresight and justice, while the jackal guided spiritual transitions. And the cow, it embodied nurturing and fertility. Body postures and colors, too, carried deep messages. A forward-facing figure indicated full consciousness, while a side view suggested a transient entity. Dark skin represented earthly energy, golden hues signified spiritual elevation, and blue conveyed protection or secrets. Even hieroglyphic writing was part of this visual system. The owl, for instance, wasn't just a nocturnal bird, but a symbol of deep silence and inner awareness. In this world, the artist wasn't merely a painter, but a visual consciousness programmer, reflecting reality through the mirror of spirit and symbol. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to share.